Hello TCES, it's Miss Meyer here, and today we're going to learn how to tell time to the 5 minutes. We'll do a few problems together and then I'll have some problems for you to do on your own. What you'll need is something to write with and a piece of paper. Okay, so the first one we're going to do together is the time is shown for us and we have to write the time in digital time. So if you remember, the long hand is your minute hand, and the short hand is your hour hand. So if I was to write this in digital time, it would be 12. And to find the minutes, remember this is 0. Then you go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 55. And then you're back at 0, 0 again. So my time, my hour hand is in between the 12 and the 1, so it's 12. And my minute hand is on the 40. So my time is 12:40. Let's do this next one. Drawing my box. So again, short hand is the hour hand, long hand is the minute hand. So I look for my hour hand. It is in between the 9 and the 10, so it is 9. Then my minute hand's down here, so I'm going to start here. I'm going to go 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25. So the time is 9:25. Okay, now we're going to do problems where the time is told to us and we have to draw the hands. So I'm going to draw a circle. Start at the top with my 12. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Actually, let me redraw my circle. I didn't draw a very good circle. So I'm going to go 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay? So my time was 7:50. So we start with my hour hand, and I know it's 7, so it's going to be in between the 8 and the 7. So I'm going to draw my hour hand. Remember, your hour hand is the short hand. And then I need to show 7:50. So I'm going to count. I'm going to go 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. I'm going to draw my hour hand, or my minute hand, sorry. And there, that's 7:50. Okay, for our next one, so I'm going to start by drawing my circle. I'm going to put my 12, my 9, 6, and 3 to help me draw it a little better. 1, 2, 5, and then I'm just filling this in. Okay, put my dot in the middle. So our time we need to show is 6:30. So my hour hand is going to be in between the 6 and the 7. Remember, the hour hand is the short hand. My minute hand is going to be on the 30. So I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to go 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Remember, your minute hand goes all the way down. And that is 6:30. Now I have a couple problems for you to try on your own. Okay? So let's start with these ones. Let's start where you have to draw the hands and the clock. So your first one is 12:45. So I'm going to draw my clock, and then I'll give you guys just a second to draw your hands on it, and then I'll show you where your hand should be. So there's your clock. I'm going to give you just a second or two to draw your hands on the clock. Okay, I'll show you where your hand should be. So 12:45, my hour hand should be in between the 12 and the 1. Remember, your hour hand is a small hand. And for 45, it's going to be on the 9. I'm going to draw my minute hand all the way over there. Okay, next one you're going to do on your own. 9:05. I'll give you just a minute to draw the clock and draw the hands on the clock face. Okay, if you need more time, you can go ahead and pause the video right here till you're finished. I'm going to show you what this clock should look like. My hour hand would be in between the 9 and the 10, and my minute hand would be on the 1. That would be 9:05. Okay, we got 2 more problems for you to do. So on these ones, the hands are drawn on the clock for you, and you need to write the time in digital time. So I'm going to draw my box over here. I'm going to give you just a second to write down the digital time. Okay, again, if you need more time, you can go ahead and pause the video until you're finished. So, my hour hand is the short hand. So I see that is in between the 3 and the 4. So it's going to be 3. And I see that my minute hand is on the 8, so that's going to be 40. So it's going to be 3:40. Okay, we have 1 more clock to do. I'll draw my box so I can write my digital time. Okay, I'm going to give you time to write the digital time in your box. Okay, I'll show you the time. My hour hand is in between the 10 and the 11, so I know it's 10. And my minute hand is on the 30, or on the 6, sorry, so that'd be 30. So my time is 10:30. So that was reviewing, telling time to the 5 minutes. Do not forget to go ahead and post a picture of your paper to the Facebook page so we can see the work that you did. And I hope you all have a great day. Bye.